Here we are at the Mazoli residence. It's January 21st. It didn't record the whole thing. So now it's still recording. All right, we're going into the Dave Mazzoli snack drawer scary land. We're going to see what he really sounds like at night. Does he snore? Yes or no? Here we go. Here we go. Yes, folks, that's not a wild hog. That is David Mazzoli. David Mazoli, I repeat, of Rotunda West. He does snore. Did you see the curtains come right off the wall? The dog fur went right up his nose, sucked in the neighbor's cat. I'm just saying. This is Cray Cray reporting live from the RTW Day Spa Casino and Hookah Lounge.